Hello guys, Merry Christmas to you all and welcome to the Talk Tech platform. Today we have an exciting news for you and we know you are going to love it, you are going to like it. Yes, because this video is featuring on eSIM that MTN has introduced into their system. MTN is not the first telecommunication in Ghana to introduce eSIM. Tigo has done their own a long time and MTN too is doing theirs, and with the MTN's package of the registering of the eSIM, it goes with a free 10 gigabytes of data. So if you are able to request for your eSIM and also register your eSIM, MTN is going to give you free 10 gigabytes of data. Okay, when you talk of eSIM simply means electronic SIM or virtual SIM. So when you say virtual SIM, which means your device, your phone is going to run on a network, on a telecommunication without a physical SIM. Okay, without a physical SIM like this, one. So this is what MTN is doing. So if you are able to register for the request for the eSIM, MTN is going to give you free 10 gigabytes of data for browsing, for downloading and doing your stuffs. Okay, and with this there are two ways that you can based on to register or request for your eSIM. One is by either going to the MTN office to request for your eSIM or by using your phone to do it by yourself. Yes, and I know how time is. People will not maybe try to have time to go to the office, but here I want to show you how you can request for your eSIM on your phone by doing it by yourself. Yes, so the first thing you have to do when it comes to requesting of the eSIM is to download or get the MTN app. Okay, so if you have the MTN app, this is going to help you. And also if you don't have the MTN app, just go to Google Play Store or Apple Store to download the MTN app and follow these steps to do it simply by yourself. And after doing this, MTN is going to give you 10 gigabytes of data. Yes, initially I thought it was a camouflage, but after registering and acquiring my eSIM, I am now enjoying the 10 gigabytes of data. Yes, so let's see how the steps goes. So after downloading and installing the myMTN app on your phone, but before that, if you are new here, please try to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell so that any new updates you will get it, and also don't forget to share it and also like this video. So let's move on with the registering or requesting of the eSIM. You see, when you open it, you get to see that on the bottom right corner you see get more there. So the get more, you click on that, these menus will come, and the menus you see eSIM there, so you click on the eSIM. After clicking on the eSIM, then you provide the following information as I'm going to show it now. Okay, so it will take you to the MTN's website. Okay, so it says MTN e-portal. So you choose your number, the number you want to register for the eSIM. Okay, so customer phone number, I'm inputting my number here. Okay, so this is the number 457821277. So here an OTP has been sent to my number. Okay, so let's check and see the OTP. One time password has been sent to my number, which is okay. So here, after the OTP has been sent to you, then you go to fill in this form. Okay, the customer name, say my name, alternative phone number. Okay, enter alternate phone number that you really want to use. Okay, so I can use this alternate phone number. Okay, Then you enter here, enter email address. Okay, so you enter your email address, then select SIM plan. Okay, with the SIM plan we have the prepaid and postpaid. Okay, the prepaid means that you buy before you use, you buy airtime before you use. Okay, and the postpaid means that uh at the airtime will be given to you, then you pay it later. Or with the prepaid you can request, you buy data and use, or with the postpaid data will be given to you and pay it later. Okay, so here I want to choose prepaid. Okay, then enter device plan. Here you need to enter device plan. Your device, you need to enter it so that you get to know that either eSIM can run on your device or cannot run on your device. You know, there are a lot of devices that eSIM works on. That is the iPhones, the Samsung phones, some of them, some of the Oppo phones, some of the Google Pixel phones, and the rest. Okay, so you need to enter the device plan. Okay, so Techno, Spark 5 Pro. I want to check if it works. Okay, if eSIM can run here, then say upload a portrait picture. Okay, select. You are doing it by yourself. Okay, you gotta do it by yourself. So a portrait picture. Let me choose this picture. Zoom it. Uh, Done. Here, then upload picture of. It says upload picture of national ID card. Okay, Ghana card or foreign passport for foreigners. Okay, so I want to upload my Ghana card here. Okay, so I'll just go down. Okay, I have it here. So I upload it, then I request submit request. So here, after uploading all this information or providing all these informations, you can see your customer name, your alternative phone number, your email address. You need to provide it correctly so that email will be sent to you. Then you select simple, either prepaid or postpaid. Then you upload your, here is what is needed, your device brand. You need to provide it there so that MTN will get to know that the eSIM supports, or your phone can support eSIM. Okay, then you upload a portrait of your picture, then upload your national identity card, either Ghana card. Okay, then you submit your request. Okay, it says your request has been submitted successfully. Your ticket number is this. Okay, so let me just try to screenshot my. Okay, so then it has been submitted. Okay, so you get a message which says your OTP for e-request portal. Okay, this your SIM request with ticket number. This, okay, was successfully submitted on the e-request portal. Processing time is 24 to 48 hours. That is from a day to 2 days working hours. Okay,